Hello children, are you waiting to learn something? Yes? Yes, I know you are waiting. What do you want to learn today? Shall we learn some numbers? Yes? Already we have learned to count numbers 1 to 10 and we learned how to write number 1. And shall we revise it once? Yes. First we will revise counting numbers 1 to 10. Look at these pictures. According to each number, the pictures are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. So, already we have learned to recognize and write number 1. Now, today we are going to learn some other number. Before that, I want to show you something. Look at these pictures. A table, a chair and a car. And all these 3 items are there in everyone's house. Yes? You have a table at home and a chair at home, and all of you will be having a car also at home. And even if you don't have a car at home, you have seen the car? Yes. So how many wheels are there for a car? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many wheels are there for a car? Yes, 4 wheels are there for a car. Alright. Now, just see how many legs are there for this table and chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many legs are there? 4 legs are there for this table. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs are there for the chair also. So, all these are having that this table and chair is having 4 legs. And how many wheels are there for the car? Yes, 4 wheels are there for a car. Here in this picture we can see only 2 wheels, but at the other side one more wheel is there at the back side and one more wheel is there at the front side also. So altogether how many wheels are there? 4 wheels. Okay. Now we will see how many fruits are here. Shall we count and see? Yes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 types of fruits are here. Now, are you all ready to count with ma'am? Yes. Alright. Count with ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags. Wow! Ice cream sticks. How many ice cream sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ice cream sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. Well done.
Now we will see how to write number 4. Take your term book, open the book and take number 4. Just see the pictures here. What are these? These are cats. How many cats are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many cats are here? 4 cats are here. Now we will see how to write number 4. Already we have learned the standing line and the sleeping line. So first we have to start from the top. Standing line, sleeping line, and one more standing line across the sleeping line. So what it is? Number 4. We'll write once again. Okay. Standing line, sleeping line, and one more sleeping line downward. Okay. So this is also number 4. Now we will see how to write in these columns. Okay, start from the top. Standing line, sleeping line, and one more standing line in the middle of this sleeping line. Alright, so here we have the dotted lines. First we have to join the dotted lines and then we will write all these other columns. Okay, so standing line, sleeping line, and again standing line. When you write the second standing line, you have to be careful. You have to touch this bottom line here. Okay, standing line, sleeping line, and one more standing line here in the middle of this sleeping line, and the second standing line should touch the bottom line. Alright, like this. Did you see here? Here also you can see the standing line touching the bottom line. The same way we will write in these columns also. Standing line, sleeping line, and one more standing line in the middle of the sleeping line. Number 4. So you have to be very careful while writing, and each time when you write number 4, you have to repeat. You have to say and write number 4. Each time when you write, just repeat standing line, sleeping line, and one more standing line, and touch the line here at the bottom. Okay, so what it is? Number 4. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Number 4. Now we have completed writing number 4. And now look here. What are these? Apples. Shall we count and see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many apples are here? 5 apples are here. Here we have to color 4 apples. So we have 5 here, and how many apples we have to color? Only 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Only these 4 apples we have to color. Do you all have crayons with you? Yes, you have the crayons. So, what is the color of an apple? Yes, how many colors are there? We can see how many colors? We can see the green apples and we can see the red apples also. So, now here we will color fully red. Okay, so you can take your red color crayons and start coloring. First we can give the outline. First we can color the outline. After that, inside. So when you color, you can be very careful and color towards only one side. Okay, then it will be very neat and tidy. Yes. Now take the green color crayons and color the stem and the leaf. In the same way, we can color the other apples. First we can color the outline. Then inside. Take the green color and color the leaf and the stem. So now we have completed writing number 4 and coloring the apples. How many apples are here? Did you see? We have colored only 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 5th one. So we don't have to color it. So is it clear, children? Take your own time and write by yourself and do the coloring also. All right.
Four apples, 4 trees, 4 tiny little buzzing bees, 4 tables, 4 chairs, 4 monkeys jumping over there, 4 candles, 4 flames, 4 smiley happy dancing dames, 4 farmers, 4 books, 4 very hungry sitting ducks, 4 chickens, 4 sheep, 4 frogs getting ready to leap. Look at all these numbers falling from the sky. Let's find them together, looking low and 4 trees, 4 tiny little buzzing bees, 4 tables, 4 chairs, 4 monkeys jumping over there.